I can't remember a time when I wasn't making something. Even when I was 4 years old, I had this block of wood that I pounded nails into and tied string onto and called it a gizmo. I changed it up every day and made it do all kinds of crazy things. By the time I was 8, I had my first soldering iron, and I was running around the neighborhood finding old TVs and radios to take apart and take the parts out of. Over the years, that passion has grown into the foundation for Oklahoma Robotics. When you bring us a project, the first thing that we're going to do is sit down with you and do a 1-hour consultation with our senior design team to make sure that our company is the right fit for your project. There's a lot of times there's something already in the market that does exactly what you need that you may just not be aware of. And with 100 years combined experience on our senior design team, we can usually spot that pretty quickly. And if a custom solution is required for your project, that's when we get to work turning your ideas into reality.